Every single morning, what's the first thing that we say? Where is the forklift? We need it right away. Moving all the cargo till our backs begin to break. We really wanna throw it all away. Boss comes running over, says the cost is way too high. Look at this machine, it's gonna blow your mind. Auto navigation never stops and never sighs. This is the future right before your eyes. Laser scan and precision, millimeter perfection. 2-ton heavy payload lifting in every direction. Anti-collision radar keeping everybody safe. Low battery, it goes back to its base.